parked car. Title shows a name that isn't yours. Police walk up anyway. Is that legal? Or did they just bypass your rights under the charter? You're about to see real footage from Calgary. Then we break down what Section 8 of the charter actually protects, even if the car isn't yours. Under Section 8, everyone in Canada has the right to be secure against unreasonable search or seizure. That includes cars. Registration name doesn't erase that. Police can approach a parked vehicle and ask common questions. That alone doesn't turn into a detention or a lawful search. Many courts call that a voluntary encounter. For a search to be lawful, you must give valid consent, or police must have reasonable grounds, visible contraband, weapons, evidence of crime, or a valid arrest. If they don't have consent or grounds, you can and should refuse. Politely, calmly, no crime in silence. Now we play the full video. Watch the encounter and think, did they actually meet the legal threshold?
You want to roll down your window, sir?
Nah, I can hear you. What's up?
Okay, well, Constable Lang with Calgary Police, the reason why we're stopping you is because the vehicle's registered to a female and you're obviously a male, so can I see your driver's license?
Nah, man, it's not. Is it reported stolen?
Can I see your driver's
No, you don't run things here. You work for me until I break the law, mister. So I'm going to ask you again, is the car reported stolen?
No, but
okay, well then there's no reasonable articulable suspicion.
Actually, let me explain something to you, sir. Because the vehicle's registered to a female...
It doesn't matter.
Can I speak, or...
Well, you can say whatever, you can cop-explain all you want, but...
You're a male, which means you need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act.
No, I don't.
Arrest you.
Yeah, okay, then you can arrest me because I've done nothing wrong.
Go ahead and step out of the car, unlock the car.
What's your name and badge number? Call a sergeant
Unlock
right now.
door.
I'm not unlocking my door. What are you talking about?
Unlock.
Call a sergeant.
Unlock the door.
What crime have I committed?
Under the TSA, you need to identify yourself. And you're
If I'm suspected of a crime.
Nope.
Yes, it is. I know the law.
Unlock the door. We're going to break the window.
You're going to break my window for me not doing anything wrong.
Unlock the door,
All we
sir.
want is your documents, man.
For what? My documents? Is this Nazi Germany?
Hold on, what's...
Is this Nazi Germany?
No, this is not Nazi.
You guys are live on YouTube. Okay, you're live on YouTube, just so you know.
If you're
Perfect.
not going to produce your ID, then what's your name?
I can produce my ID, but I haven't done anything wrong. That's what I'm trying to talk to you, but this guy's escalating
Do
it.
you understand what he's asking?
He's saying he's gonna break my window because I've done nothing wrong because this car is registered. He's saying to a female. So what?
So we're allowed doing a check on documents because it's not registered.
Okay, call the female it's registered to then. I'm not gonna help you with your investigation.
So we need to ID you to see who you are.
What does that matter? How is me, okay, if the car is registered to a female, right? How is my license or my ID gonna tell you who I am? Like, how is that gonna help the situation?
Under the Traffic Safety Act, you have to identify yourself.
If I'm lawfully pulled over. I've already been to court for this. What? Look at him put on his gloves. I haven't done anything wrong. This is how you guys treat the public? I've done nothing wrong.
I'm giving you another chance here.
Another chance he's putting on his gloves to intimidate me. Look at this. Sir, I'm asking, why are you doing this to me? I haven't committed a crime.
We've explained it multiple
So you guys are gonna, okay, under duress, I'm gonna give you my last name under duress because he's threatening me, putting on gloves. Yes, he is, putting on gloves, threatening me, telling me he's gonna break my window. This cupcake right here said he's gonna break my window. But I don't understand why you're putting me in the system. I haven't done anything wrong.
Are you 30, roughly?
Yeah, but I haven't done anything wrong, so why are you putting me in the system?
I've already explained it.
Shut up, you didn't explain nothing. You said you're gonna break my window because the vehicle is registered to a
You
woman.
need to identify yourself under the Traffic Safety Act.
Yeah, if I'm lawfully pulled over, I understand that.
Pulled over.
I'm not pulled over, I'm parked. My car is off, I am parked.
Right there with
I am parked. I have dash cam in the front and the back of my car. I have dash cam, you loser. You're a tyrant. You're shitty at your job. That's why you'll never have stripes. Yeah, okay, cupcake.
Actually, that's not how stripes work.
Okay, cupcake. Whatever you want to say. You're not for the people. You're for profit. You're a loser. Look at you. You're a straight up loser. Look at that. Tyrant comes over here and tries to bully me into my ID because he thinks he's in Nazi Germany. Look at this racist cop.
Not Nazi Germany, here in Canada.
Yeah, look at this racist cop, eh?
Canada.
Shut up, you racist. You're a racist. Profiling me. I'm gonna watch the complaint I make on you, bro. Don't worry about it.
It's fine.
Okay, it is fine.
Here's what the law demands and what you're allowed to do. You have a right to privacy. You have a right to refuse. You don't need to hand over more than what's legally required. If police ask to search, calmly say, "I do not consent to any search." If they deny you the freedom to leave, politely ask, "Am I free to go?" Record everything you can. Protect your rights. Laws vary by province, educational only.